Hi student, this is for bca-4th-sem student and today topic is abstract class and method in Java. So I want to explain some characteristics of abstract class and methods. First point is an abstract class is the one whose instances cannot be created, means an abstract class, it doesn't have any object creation. So first point is explain. Second is any class that has at least one abstract method has to be compulsory declared as an abstract class, means if any class is declared as a abstract, so it should be present one abstract method. 3. Abstract class can contain both abstract and non-abstract methods. So abstract class are having abstract method as well as non-abstract method. 4. An abstract method has no body, means abstract method only declaration is there, no definition is in this abstract method. 5. Child class need to be override the definition of all abstract method, means child class will override the definition of all abstract method which is written in abstract parent class. So I will explain the one example on abstract topic. Abstract class parent, abstract void m1. You can see abstract class has abstract method as well as non-abstract method. So you can see abstract method doesn't have any definition, only declaration is there. Same here, non-abstract method also has a body definition. You can see abstract class does not have any object creation. Here using child class object will be declared. So child extend parent void m1, within m1 definition will be there. So same method name, it is a overridden method and which will be overridden by child class. You can see child class object, using child class object m1 method will be called and m2 method will be called. Here in this m1 method child will be printed because all of you know that 5 point number 5 is says that child class need to override the definition of all abstract method. Here child class will override the method of abstract method and which is written in parent class and which will be override by child class. And within child class child will be printed because system.out.println child is mentioned. So I want to say that as abstract method doesn't have any definition, but same method name void m1, but within child class child statement is there, a printing statement is there. So using child class object m1 will be called from child class and output will be child. Then c1.m2, then m2 is written in parent class, so m2 will be called by child class object and output will be parent. So here the example of abstract. Next is I want to explain that Java does not support multiple inheritance. Why? Because suppose there are two parent class, one is class A another is class B, and within class same method name m1 and m1 is also written in class A and another m1 also written in class B, same method name of different classes. So class C extends AB. Actually this does not happen in general when we actually use multiple inheritance. I will discuss later why extends will not be used in multiple inheritance. Actually in multiple inheritance implement keyword will be used. General form is implement keyword. So main class, within main class child object will be declared. Within child class using child class object m1 will be called, but here will be ambiguity because m1 method will be written is written in two different classes. Uh, so what will be the answer will be ambiguity because m1 also found in class A, m1 is also found in class B, so it does not have any clear solution. So that's why multiple inheritance will not be supported in Java directly. It is supported by in Java using interface. So let's explain the interface. Interface, you can say interface is a collection of abstract method, you can say, or interface is a class that implements interface, or another way you can say contain behavior that a class implements. So actually I want to say that interface is actually the collection of method. So here actually use of abstract method, uses of abstract method is in interface. So one important notes I want to discuss that unless the class that implement the interface is abstract, all the method of the interface need to be defined in the class. Means suppose within interface four abstract method is there, but one class implement the interface and without using abstract keyword, then we have to then child class has to override the for method which is written in interface. Suppose here will write the abstract, so we don't need to write all methods, but if their abstract is not present, so we will write to four methods which is written in interface. So here you can see interface I1, in interface I1 abstract method is void m1, interface 2 abstract void method m1 is present, and variable I10, variable I100. You can see here the main child class interface test, child class implements I1 and I2. Here you can see the uses of multiple inheritance, means this child class implements these two parent class I1 and I2. Here you can see that public void m1 is without abstract method, means there is not written any abstract, so we have to take the all the all method which is written in two parent class, means as there is there is not present abstract keyword, so we have to write these two method into this class, but their method is same, so I have to write one method because method name is same. So we don't write public void m1 again public void m1. So only one line should be there, one method should be there, and with this within method there you can see definition is present. And suppose this class object obj1, and using obj1 m1 will be called. So m1 will be found in this class, and in this class three definition is there. One is child class, then i1.i, i2.i, means I interface i1 and variable of this i1 is 10, and again i2 interface and I is the variable of i2. Here you can see there is not present any definition of this method, but which is overridden by this child class. This child class is defining this definition of this method, means as there is not present any definition, but within child class method there is present definition, present the method definition. So easily child class override the method of this parent class using its own body definition. Simply child class will override the parent class, but their parent class is not present in definition, so child class will override the parent class method with its own definition, method body definition. So output will be the child class, then i1 dot I means 10, then i2 dot I 100. So basically using interface, child class also the inherit the parent class, as well as using its own body method it will override the parent class. Thank you all. Thank you. Next class will be on package.